Yeah. So it felt very uncomfortable. And probably when you're feeling least comfortable reaching out and buying things, because we're lousy market timers, that's probably when we know that we're buying well. So I mean, if this was easy, I guess everybody would be doing it. We're helped by the fact that for every stock we own, we have an investment thesis that tells us how we're going to make money, and we have investment milestones that we track. And my dad always used to say, if you don't know exactly why you're in something, you're likely to get shaken out at the worst possible time, as we saw a lot of people running for cover. It was almost GFC-like, where I was forced to stand up several times during the day, walk around my desk and swallow hard because it felt that uncomfortable, and then sit down and buy some more at even lower prices. Not a great feeling, but I guess that's our mandate.
And how do you know when it's the right time to buy?
It is largely a science, where if it's a good business that's economically insensitive, and whether the Fed raises rates or China stops growing, it's hardly likely people will buy less lottery tickets or not require their buildings to be cleaned or maintained in Australia, or in the case of Duet, not require the lights being switched on or the gas being used to cook food. It's those kind of businesses that are very resilient, and your margin of safety when you get close to double-digit after-tax cash earnings yields, which is the amount of money you can scrape off and put in your pocket and walk away without damaging the business, so you can come back the next year and take more. When that gets up to 10%, that's a good number, and will cover you for quite a few sins. Not all the sins, but it does give you some margin of safety. Now, not to say we didn't get things wrong. I think we probably bought some Crown too early. We'll see. We think the local businesses, even if we put the Macau business at a quarter of its listed value, which is our discounted value of their cash flows until they give back the license at 2022. So worst case scenario, we think we can buy the local businesses on, again, a double-digit after-tax cash earnings yield. So the market still disagrees with us on that, but that's okay. Maybe an opportunity to buy some more. We don't know, but we've taken a big bet on that stock as well.